812 update. So like an idiot, I forgot to take the video camera out that I specifically brought just for this purpose of recording the entire process of taking the engine apart, but I forgot to do that. So here's the update from where it's at. We got the later 70s 812 that I got for $50, and I knew the engine was locked up. We can confirm that it broke the connecting rod, and pretty much everything's stripped off of it except for the gas tank and a few other things. So the fuel line's plugged off with the spark plug. Lighting's bad because the one light can't be on, but that's what the butt of one of these looks like. It's pretty much just you can look in there and see some of the gears. So I guess when the engine's done being rebuilt, we've got enough gas to test it out with. But we took the K301 off of it. I think that's what this should be. Yeah, there we go. So this is a very mint tractor, and for $50 I couldn't beat it. I couldn't resist even if the engine was all locked. So I'm not quite done yet with disassembling it, but I'm going to send it to a machine shop in Westminster to get it all machined out, because we could have just put a new connecting rod in it, but the crankshaft has some damage to it from the brake, so we're going to keep disassembling it. We got the pan off here. Because I only have one hand free, I'm not going to tip the engine over and show you guys what's going on inside, but well, you can kind of see that there. I'll move my fingers so the camera can focus. The shiny part, that is the crankshaft, and you can visibly see the scoring and stuff on there. So yeah, and then it'll probably need a lot of flushing out inside the valves because you got this weird sand stuff, probably from water being in here. Well, here's my little dog. He's helping out today. Hey, buddy. And then over here. That's the head, that's the dipstick. Here's the connecting rod, what's left of it. So, yeah. I'm holding on to that for no reason, but the engine's gonna go in. It's gonna machine down the crankshaft a little bit, make a custom connecting rod to fit it, and then bore the cylinder out 10 over and get a new piston, and then we'll put it back together. And this tractor ran perfectly fine until the rod broke. I'm guessing some moron ran it out of oil or something, because it did have a leak. I don't know how much is left after we power washed it, but not much is left, but there was a leak somewhere back there. It could be transmission fluid, could be engine oil, but anyways, it's gonna get fixed, and then I don't know if I'll keep it or sell it. I'll just have to figure that out. But until next time, probably next week when the parts are in and everything, I'll give you all another update.